Hello gardeners! Powdery mildew is a common challenge for zucchini plants, but with a few simple steps, you can prevent it and treat it effectively. This fungal disease appears as white, powdery spots on the leaves and stems, and if left untreated, it can weaken your plants and reduce your harvest. In this video, we will guide you through the best practices to keep your zucchini plants healthy and thriving. From proper spacing and watering techniques to natural remedies and preventive measures, we've got you covered. Let's explore how to keep your zucchini plants healthy and productive all season long. Powdery mildew looks like white powdery patches on the leaves and can spread quickly, especially in warm, humid conditions. Early detection is key to managing it before it affects your plant's health. To prevent powdery mildew, give your plants plenty of space for airflow and water at the base to keep leaves dry. This helps in reducing the chances of fungal infections. Adding mulch around the plant's base can also reduce moisture fluctuations, which discourages mildew growth. Mulch acts as a barrier, keeping the soil temperature stable and retaining moisture. Additionally, consider using resistant plant varieties and regularly inspecting your garden for early signs of mildew. Pruning affected leaves can also help in controlling the spread of this common garden issue. If powdery mildew appears on your plants, you can treat it effectively with a simple DIY spray. Mix water, baking soda, and a few drops of liquid soap. Apply this solution to the affected areas weekly to keep the mildew at bay. Additionally, neem oil is another excellent organic option. It not only helps to slow down the spread of powdery mildew, but also acts as a preventive measure. Regular application of these treatments can ensure your plants stay healthy and vibrant throughout the growing season. Remember, consistency is key for the best results. With proactive prevention and simple treatments, you can keep powdery mildew in check and enjoy a healthy zucchini crop. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more gardening tips.